Greetings from Erstavik, more specifically on the small sandy beach next to the windsurfing facility. Look at this magical sandy beach in the Erstavik Nature Reserve in Nacka, out on the Baltic Sea. So it is 28th of August 2024, wonderful sunny afternoon here, and this is the second beach adventure for today, as I earlier visited also Svärdsö Nudist Beach that's located around 3 kilometers from here in that direction. And yes, this is how it looks like. Not so many people here, and now that I can see on the main Erstavik spotted, the main Erstavik beach, it's also almost completely empty. But the weather is so nice. We have 23 degrees Celsius right now, and there it is 18 degrees Celsius in the Baltic Sea. And yes, this is my companion for today's beach adventures, my Scott gravel bike, ready for action, obviously. Yes, I can't believe that we are almost at the end of the month of August, and it is only 3 days until I turn 34 years old. So I'm still 33 for 3 more days, and then I have a birthday on the last day of this month. So I actually really love the month of August because it's usually very nice weather and the beaches are not so crowded at all, especially on the half part of the month. Yes, today is beach day number 132 of my Sweden beach adventures, and yes, it is then time for another swim in the Baltic Sea here. So let's then get going and enjoy this wonderful sunny and hot day in Stockholm. Absolutely amazing. This sandy beach in Erstavik. It's located just a few hundred meters from the main Erstavik spotted, and it's a bit more chill. And all the times I was here, it was empty, only me here, so it's quite nice. Perfect. I mean, 18 degrees in the sea is still quite decent and perfect for a swim, so I'm very eager to swim here as well. We continue with the beach adventures as usual, and let's see how long we're gonna have the season this year. But I aim to beat the record from last year, which is 200 beach days. So let's see if we're gonna make it. And hopefully the weather in November will be great in order to achieve our goal. All right, so let's then swim here and enjoy this wonderful day out on the sea in Nacka. Let's go! Now that was an unusually long dive, but I really enjoyed the time in the water, despite my head being a bit brain freeze. It's not that cold, to be fair, so I don't know why I feel like my brain is going to freeze, but it's so lovely and so nice. So here they have like windsurfing facility, and they can rent windsurfing equipment, but today the waves are low and the tide is low as well, so it's not that beneficial to do that on this day. But I have seen previous time I was here, because it's usually windy on the sea, to be fair, and you can have a good go on that. I may need to try that sometime soon. Let's tell you once again before you wrap up for today, because underwater is so nice, especially with my GoPro that takes so beautiful footage beneath. Let's go! Amazing, so amazing, so nice. Cool, then let's wrap up from Erstavik, this sandy beach in the nature reserve, Erstavik in Nacka. So, thank you so much for watching this episode with me. Another beach adventure on my channel. Make sure to like and subscribe for more beach adventures on the channel that it's called Beach Adventures with Chris.